Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how can we download any app on our laptop. So for downloading any app, we have to first open Microsoft Store. So I will press Window key and then I will search here Microsoft Store. So here you can see it is. Now open it. So inside the Microsoft Store, we have several apps which Microsoft Store is suggesting us to download. You can choose from here whichever app you want to install, or you can search here for any specific app. Let's say WhatsApp. So I have right here WhatsApp and then search. So here you can see WhatsApp is showing. Now click on it. So as I have already installed the WhatsApp, so this is showing as open. So let's click on Facebook. So here you can see, as I have not installed the Facebook in my computer, so this is showing as get. So by clicking on get, you can install the app. So this is how you can install any app on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.